Hi guys, and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We're at Kenilworth Castle. Why don't you come along?
It's meant to be sunny today, but as you can see, it's just overcast. It's not raining, so we should be grateful, I guess.
Welcome to Midlands.
It does seem to rain in the Midlands a lot more than anywhere else, with maybe the exception of Wales and Scotland.
I think when we were in Suffolk, when we had weather, it was definitive. It's going to rain between these hours, and it would rain between those hours.
Yeah.
Here it goes, oh, it'll be brightening up, and then it'll start raining. You can't trust the weatherman.
So it's quite busy, this walk. There's quite a lot of people. We're still quite close to Kenilworth. I suspect it will probably thin out the further we go. As predicted, everyone else is going this way, and we are going this way.
With jam, tea, I've seen rose hip tea as well.
Yeah, the rose hip tea.
There's the old fence room. Jesus.
How are we going to handle this one? Fuck that. We're going to climb over the fence. Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, bad one. I think Warwickshire looks a bit like rural Suffolk. It's always the same.
Very flat.
It's always the same. Section. We're going to pass Bosale or Bosale. We're here, we're going to walk up here, and then at Honolly we divert back onto a path.
Sunshine!
2.5.
2.5 miles to the castle. What's it called?
The Pleasance. So we're very nearly back in Kenilworth. The castle's just there, as you can see. The car's not very far away at all. So that's our visit to Kenilworth Castle over. Thank you for joining us. It'd be amazing if you hit that like button. You could always subscribe, and why not leave us a comment? So from us, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.